Pork tenderloin with some side dishes makes a great dinner, or on a bun for a quick lunch. Pound the tenderloin out to about 1/4 of an inch thick and then coat with the egg, then flour, then back in the egg, and then in the breadcrumbs. Have your oil heating on medium, and you'll only fry these for a couple minutes on each side because they are very thin, so just keep an eye on them. You can add whatever seasonings you like. I only added salt and pepper. Don't overcrowd your pan. I just cooked one at a time. And as they're done, you can place these on a wire rack that's lined with paper towels. If you don't have a wire rack, that's fine. Just put them on some paper towels and continue cooking the rest. You can place these in a warm oven just to keep them warm while you're preparing your other side dishes. I'm making green beans, and I wish I had some fresh garden beans, but I don't. So I'm making do with some canned green beans. In a skillet, I've added some leftover bacon grease with some butter and minced garlic, pepper, and salt. Then I'll add the green beans to that. Cook those for a few minutes. And I have some leftover bacon that I'll put in with that. I also have some leftover mashed potatoes and gravy that I'm going to heat up and serve with this meal. I really like green beans, and they're especially tasty when you make them this way. I hope you give this a try. So everything is done, and I'm going to go ahead and plate everything up with the tenderloin, mashed potatoes, and gravy, and the green beans. And like I said, if you prefer just for a lunch, you can just put the tenderloin on a bun and whatever toppings you prefer, and you have a delicious lunch. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, I hope you do. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. As always, thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.